नमस्कार दोस्तों. So today we will try to apply relative lowering of vapor pressure in the questions. In the our previous video we have learned the derivation of relative lowering of vapor pressure, and today is the day when we apply that formula. So the formula is P naught A minus PS over P naught A equal to WB by MB WA into MA for dilute solutions. It is applicable only when solutions are dilute, and if we want to apply the formula for all type of solutions, then it becomes P naught A minus PS over PS equal to WB by MB WA into MA. Means this formula is applicable for all types of solutions. For all type of solutions. Is dilute or concentrated, because there is no approximation, but in this case we have applied the approximation that NB is very less than NA. Here A is solvent, B is solute. P naught A is vapor pressure of pure solvent, PS is vapor pressure of solvent in solution, or we can say it is vapor pressure of solution, because solute is non-volatile. It is there. Okay. WB, mass of solute B, mass of solvent A, WA, MB and MA, molar mass of solute B, molar mass of solvent A. Right. So we try to apply this formula. Got it? Why? Because it is applicable for all type of solution, because nothing is mentioned that solution is volatile or non-volatile. Sorry, solution is dilute or concentrated. What is we have to calculate? Say in this chapter all the questions are related to formula only. If you know the formula, you get the answer upon calculation. See, calculate the mass of non-volatile solute. So, what is solute? B, and mass WB. That means we have to find out WB. We start from here. We know that P naught A minus PS over PS equal to this. WB we have to calculate. Then, what is given? Its molar mass is given. 40, then which should be dissolved in 114 gram of octane. So octane is solvent. So what is molar mass of octane? Actually octane is C8 and H18. So 12 into 8 plus 18 into 1, 96 plus 118. So it becomes 96 plus 18, 114. Take it as unit U or gram per mole. U or gram per mole. So these are the values given to you. Everything is given, and it reduces its vapor pressure to 80%. To, not by, to 80%. That means pressure of the solution becomes equal to, or it is pressure of the vapor pressure of the solvent in the solution is equal to 80% of P naught A, because it is reduced to 80%. So 80% of P naught A, that is 0.8 into P naught A, or we can say that PS over P naught A is equal to 0.8. That's it. Now just apply this formula. You know, P naught A minus PS over P naught PS is equal to, what is WB? We have to calculate. MA 114, MB 40, and WA is also 114. Cancel. It becomes P naught A over PS minus 1 is equal to WB over 40. That implies P naught A PS, P naught A over PS means P naught A over PS is equal to 1 upon 0.8. So it is 1 upon 0.8 minus 1 is equal to WB by 40. So it implies 1 minus 0.8 over 0.8 is equal to WB by 40. So it becomes 0.2 over 0.8 equal to WB by 40. So it is actually 1 by 4 equal to WB by 40. So WB equal to 40 by 4 means it is 10 gram. So 10 gram of non-volatile solute should be dissolved in 114 gram of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. This is